Welcome to 3 Minutes Fix. In this video, we will see how to fix UGC policy error on uploading your app to Play Store. To fix this error, we are going to add the terms and condition and privacy policy link to our sign up page and in the login page. Reason I create this guide. One of my friends faced this issue while uploading his app to Play Store. The error is simple and can be fixed easily, so I thought it will be helpful for everyone if I upload a short tutorial. Although DoUp has terms and privacy page, many of us does not fill it correctly. To create a terms and condition page, you don't have to type many things. There are pre-made templates available online. You can use it simply. Here is a wonderful website. I have already added link to the description of this video. This site also gives you privacy page. So our job is simple. Here, enter your app name, enter valid company email ID, personal identifiable information like details we collect, username, password, and importantly their mail. Choose your app type. I am choosing ad supported. Remember, you can always update your terms page. Our app is Android, so we can choose the same. Choose the policy effective date. I am choosing today. Next, choose the owner type. I am choosing individual. Finally, enter the developer name. It's a good idea to enter it as your company name. Next, choose the third-party services, because these services has their own policies, and we can declare that user can read it from them separately. Although you're not using all the services, you might use them in future. So for safety, tick all the necessary services. And here is your terms and privacy pages. Copy the code and paste them in admin panel sections. Google says, although your app has terms pages, your users have to know them before they sign up to your app. So we have to alter sign up page and add terms and condition text, which take user to terms pages on clicking. I'm hiding little animation for now because on my PC, it's showing some issue. If you're able to see design view correctly, you can ignore this step. First, we will create a linear layout with horizontal orientation. You can use the constraint widget for aligning your layout correctly. Don't forget to give space to the margin top to align them properly. In first text view, enter the text as, by signing in, you're agreeing to now align the text view correctly. It would be better if we align its center. Now, use this as a template and create another text view. Here, give it a ID, because we're going to use this as a link. Same way, create a text view for privacy text. Differentiate normal text and activity text using the color difference. It's important to give the ID for each text view. This will be helpful when we call them from code view. Now copy this entire layout and paste them in the sign-up page. Align them accordingly to the sign-up page design and alter the text. I think now you can try this on your own. It's not mandatory, but for our convenience, we can change the text view name differently. In my Android Dolphin version, I have Layout Validate tab. When choosing this, we can see how our design look in different screen size. This will helpful in aligning the design accordingly. Now it's coding time. Declare all the variable and add the on-click listener to individual layout. We can pass a basic intent to open the terms and condition activity from login activity. Same way do it for policy page, for the sign-in as well as for sign-up page. We have one last work left. Open the terms design page. Change the text view color to white. Same way do it for privacy policy design page. And now let's run and see. It's a good idea to keep the terms as checkbox, but for now we can keep it simple as this. If possible, we will see them in customization tutorial to make login page more interesting. It's recommended to update the privacy and terms page then and there. It is also mandatory to make user know the changes. You can use notification service to make them read the updated terms. You can use subscription system like SurveyMonkey to send a mail to user on, change terms and condition. And we have come to end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video so it will reach more needy people all over the globe.